Hello guys, welcome back. Today I want us to look at titration. These are some of the questions from titration, the theoretical part of it. And this is from, you have been given a question, 30 cubic centimeter of 0.5 molar HCl was used to neutralize 25 cubic centimeter of sodium hydroxide solution. Determine the concentration of sodium hydroxide solution in grams per liter. You are required to determine the concentration of sodium hydroxide solution in grams per liter. Looking at the question, this is a direct titration. This is direct titration where we are only using two reagents, that is HCl. You will be given 0.5 molar HCl and 30 cubic centimeter of it, and then you've been given 25 cubic centimeter of sodium hydroxide solution. So in titration you have what we call a standard solution. A standard solution is that solution whose concentration is known, and from these two reagents you have been given, you can be able to tell that HCl is the standard solution. So you are using a standard solution. The essence of titration is to find or to standardize or to find the concentration of the unknown, or you can be able to find the volume of the unknown. So from the question you are required to find the concentration of sodium hydroxide. So first things first, whenever you are being given a question from titration, you are required to calculate the number of moles, you are required to find the molarity, you are required to find the volume, you have to write the equation for the reaction. So we have this HCl, which is a monobasic acid, plus sodium hydroxide to give us sodium chloride plus water. This is a neutralization reaction. So this is aqueous. So from this one, from the reacting ratios, you can be able to see the reacting ratios from the equation is 1:1. So first things first, let's calculate the number of moles of the acid. Moles equals to molarity times volume divided by 1000, which is given by 30 times 0.5 divided by 1000. 30 times 0.5 divided by 1000, which is equals to 0.015 moles. 0.015 moles. So from this you can be able to tell the reacting ratios, meaning this number of moles is equivalent to the number of moles in sodium hydroxide. So this one is 0.15 moles also. From this one, now you have the number of moles of sodium hydroxide. That is the only thing which you required for you to be able to calculate the concentration. So after finding the number of moles, just like this, now we can be able to find the molarity or the concentration in moles per liter, which is given by M is equals to, molarity is equals to 1000 N 1000 times number of moles, which is 0.015 divided by 25, which is given by 0.6 M, or you can also give 0.6 moles per liter. So from here you can be able to give we know concentration in grams per liter is given by molarity times RFM. Molarity times RFM, that is to say 0.6 times 40, which is equivalent to 24 grams per liter. That is the concentration in grams per liter. So to crown it all, whenever you are being given a question from titration, please make sure that you balance the equation. Be able to outline which one is a standard solution. Because you are always given a standard solution, you are supposed to calculate the concentration of the unknown. Like now in this case, Sodium hydroxide is our unknown concentration we are supposed to calculate. And next time we will look at back titration. We are going to look at redox titration, and also we can dig deeper into paper 3, what your learner is required from titration, how to carefully titrate, and how she or he is supposed to record the observations and findings. So that is it for today. Feel free to comment down the video where the areas of difficulty as long as or as far as the mole is concerned. Bye bye.